Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to factory reset on Realme phone. Once you want to factory reset means you want to erase your old data on your device. So how to erase and how to factory reset today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. After on guys additional setting friends, you want to change phone language, you can change from here. You want to change guys date and time, you can change date and time from here. Friends, you can see there are many settings: accessibility, schedule, power off, OTG connection setting. So friends, last option, click backup and reset. After my backup and reset setting friends, you can see backup and restore, backup and data. Friends, you want to only backup my data, backup account, so you can backup your account. Friends, you can see data setting, erase all data on device on phone, factory reset. Friends, click here. First friends, you can see your network setting. Friends, you want to reset your network setting, so when draw your device pattern and enter your device password, and friends you can reset your network setting from here. So once click on erase all data, tap here, and friends you can see including your photos and music guys, this will erase all data on your device guys. Draw your pattern and enter your password. Friends, click on erase all data, and this will erase all data on your device, your photos, download app, music, videos, movies on your device guys. This will erase all data on the device guys when you will tap here. So once I don't want to erase, friends you want to erase, you will have to tap here, and guys this will erase all data on your device. So like that guys, we can factory reset means we can erase all data on device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.